Aqua Progressions 1, putting together a complete program. Here is the meat of the program, the part I know that you love, being in the water, or the water portion. We will go through a warm-up. We will go through so many ideas for you for choreography, for cardio. So many ideas and so many options, offer options and modifications. So pay attention to the options that I give. We will go a quick post-aerobic cool down. We're going to do suspended abs with the noodle, standing abs or core with the noodle. We'll talk about the different types of noodle. Not all noodles are created equal. We'll talk about the buoyancy barbells, the buoyancy bells a little bit, and then we will go through our static stretch. Let's start with a nice, easy jog. Land balls of your feet down to your heels. Let's find our posture. Shoulders back. Yeah. Belly button in. Here we go to the front. Short levers. So that means bent elbows, bent knees. Perfect. Don't hyperextend. Don't kick. Just extend. Beautiful. We're going to warm up in all directions, in all planes. Nice. So short levers. We're slicing. So that's going to be a nice, easy warm up. Last 3. Shoulders back. Inhale, exhale. Last 2. 1. Corners, corners. Yeah, we still have short levers. Beautiful. Looking good. Breathe in through the nose. Long exhale out